Next up is a fun one where we're going to take 36 potato chips, which are 2.5 by 4.5, and you're going to have 36 darker and then 36 that are lighter. And what you're going to do is just mix up within the colors, so the dark get mixed up, the lighter ones get mixed up, and then you're going to join a lighter with a darker with a 1/4 inch seam, and then press them to one side. So once that is all done, you'll have 36 blocks. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how we will arrange them. So now that we have the potato chips stitched together and I've pressed them to the dark side, you would have made 36 of these. We're going to make blocks, and by taking 4 of each, we're going to lay them out this way. So what you will end up with is the darker will have a pattern like that. If you're using more contrasty fabric, you could certainly do the lighter facing on the inside if you want, by switching them all around like that. Totally up to you. I've decided to do the dark on the inside, so I'm going to go ahead and make 9 of these, and then after that I will make a series of HSTs, and I'm going to do them 4 up. So these are 7-inch squares. I've got a dark and it's backed against a low volume, right sides together, and then you cut them from corner to corner and you end up, once they're pressed open, perfectly sized 4.5-inch HSTs, which is what we need for this project. So I'll go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you our layout for this quilt. Because we need to add a couple more elements before the final assembly, I'll show you what we need to make. These are potato chip size, so 2.5 by 4.5, and these are darker, what I will like to call the black way. So you'll need 8 of these pairs sewn together, and then you'll also need 8 which are on a lighter gray. I wanted something a little bit high contrast here, so I actually used the back side of the fabric. So again, you'll need 8 pairs. And then you'll need 4 of these, which are 2 4 patches that are sewn together. I need to square these up, but again, they're 2.5-inch squares sewn together. I also made some of them by strip setting, which is taking 2.5-inch strips, joining them together with a 1/4 inch seam, and then subcutting them down to 2.5 inches. So again, you'll need 4 of these. And lastly, you will need 8 of the 4.5-inch squares and 8 4.5 by 8.5-inch rectangles. These can be a low volume background. And do you want to see what we're making? I'll show you a quick picture and then we can start assembling. Okay, so this is what it'll look like without borders. This will be a square format, but if you add borders to the top and bottom, you can make it rectangular. You can also increase the length by adding more center blocks to make it more of a rectangle, and then adjusting everything as you go. So let's get busy with sewing this together. I'm going to do it in sections and I'll show you as I travel along. Okay, so what I've decided to do is break it into sections so you can see how they'll go together. So the top border is similar to the bottom border, and those will go on last. the top row. We'll start at the left and work our way to the right, and we can join that as a row as we go along. Then the center will look like that, and then the next row, and then finishing up with the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this one right here, and then the next, 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 and next. I'll take pictures as I go along, and then I'll show you once it's all assembled. So you will notice that all the blocks are now pieced together, and now what I will do is work on joining each row. So this is row 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the bottom one, 5 and 1, are mirror image of each other. So I will go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's all assembled. So here it is all pieced. It's currently measuring approximately 40 by 40, and I will probably add some borders to the top and bottom just to give it more of a vertical format. Stay tuned for a trunk show that I'll have later on. So until next time, sew safely and sew with Debee. Bye for now, everyone.